Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how you can change your date of birth on your Google account. It is very easy, so let's start. Firstly, you need to make sure that your Gmail application is up to date. Now you have to open your Gmail application and then click on your profile and here click on Google account. Now tap on personal info and scroll down a little bit. Now click on birthday and here select your birthday. After selecting your birthday, scroll down and click on the save option. Now click on confirm and that's it, your birthday has been updated. I hope this video will help you a lot. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.